Bears are large, mighty mammals belonging to the Ursidae family, found in North America, South America, Europe, and Asia. There are 8 species of bears, including the grizzly bear, black bear, polar bear, panda bear, and sloth bear. Bears are known for their strong bodies, sharp claws, keen sense of smell, and adaptability. Depending on the species, they can live in a variety of habitats, such as forests, mountains, tundras, and coastal regions. Some, like the polar bear, are excellent swimmers, while others, like the black bear, are skilled climbers. Despite their massive size, bears can be surprisingly fast, reaching speeds of up to 35 mph, 56 km/h. Bears are omnivores, meaning they eat both plants and animals. Their diet varies based on the species and their habitat. Grizzly bears and black bears eat a mix of berries, roots, fish, small mammals, and insects, while polar bears are primarily carnivorous, hunting seals and marine animals. Panda bears, on the other hand, have a diet that is almost entirely bamboo, consuming up to 40 pounds per day. Many bear species also scavenge for food, raiding human garbage or stealing kills from other predators. Their flexible diet allows them to survive in different environments. Bears have an excellent sense of smell, which is far stronger than that of dogs and even some sharks. This helps them locate food, mates, and potential dangers from miles away. Their hearing and eyesight are also good, though their sense of smell is their most powerful survival tool. Some bears, like the grizzly, can detect the scent of food several miles away, making them effective hunters and foragers. Their ability to smell food buried deep underground or beneath thick layers of snow gives them an advantage in harsh environments. Many bear species, especially those in cold climates, enter a state called hibernation during the winter. While true hibernation involves a dramatic drop in body temperature, bears enter a lighter form called torpor, where their heart rate slows and metabolism decreases. During this time, they do not eat, drink, or excrete waste, surviving on stored fat. Pregnant female bears even give birth while in their dens. When spring arrives, they emerge from their dens hungry and ready to resume feeding. Not all bears hibernate. Polar bears, for example, remain active year-round due to their cold-adapted lifestyles. Bears are solitary animals, with the exception of mothers with cubs and seasonal gatherings around food sources, such as salmon. Runs. They mark their territories using scent markings, claw marks on trees, and vocalizations. While generally avoiding conflict, bears can be extremely territorial and aggressive when threatened, especially mothers protecting their young. Bears communicate through grunts, growls, roars, and body language, using these signals to warn intruders or assert dominance. Cubs often play fight with their siblings, helping them develop important survival skills. The mating season for bears usually occurs in spring or summer, with females giving birth in winter dens after a gestation period of 6 to 8 months. Cubs are born tiny, blind, and helpless, weighing only about 1 pound, 0.45 kilos. A mother bear is highly protective, caring for her cubs for up to 2 years before they become independent. During this time, she teaches them how to hunt, climb, and avoid predators. Cubs stay close to their mothers, learning survival skills that will help them when they leave to establish their own territories. Despite their strength, bears face numerous threats from human activities, including deforestation, climate change, hunting, and conflicts with humans. Polar bears are particularly vulnerable due to melting sea ice, which reduces their ability to hunt seals. Asiatic black bears and sun bears are often targeted for the illegal wildlife trade, where they are captured for their bile, used in traditional medicine. Habitat destruction is also a major issue, forcing bears into closer contact with humans, and leading to conflicts that often result in bears being killed. Conservation efforts focus on habitat protection, anti-poaching laws, and education programs to reduce human-bear conflicts. Bears play a vital role in ecosystems, helping to disperse seeds, regulate prey populations, and maintain biodiversity. By eating fruits and spreading seeds through their droppings, they help forests regenerate. Their hunting and scavenging behaviors also prevent the overpopulation of certain animals, maintaining a balanced ecosystem. Scientists continue to study bear behavior, migration patterns, and genetics to understand their role in nature and develop better conservation strategies. Protecting bear habitats benefits not just bears, but entire ecosystems. Bears have deep cultural significance in many traditions, symbolizing strength, wisdom, and survival. In Native American cultures, bears are often seen as sacred creatures, representing protection and power. In Norse mythology, warriors known as berserkers were said to channel the spirit of bears in battle. Today, bears remain icons of wildlife conservation, inspiring efforts to protect nature. With ongoing conservation efforts and responsible human interaction, bears can continue to thrive in the wild, preserving their role as one of the most iconic and powerful animals on Earth. The king cobra, Ophiophagus hanna, is the longest venomous snake in the world, capable of growing up to 18 feet, 5.5 meters in length. It is native to the forests and wetlands of South and Southeast Asia, including India, China, Thailand, Indonesia, and Malaysia. Unlike other cobras, the king cobra is not a true cobra, genus Naja, but belongs to its own unique genus, Ophiophagus, which means snake eater in Greek. Despite its fearsome reputation, the king cobra is generally shy and avoids human encounters, only attacking when threatened or cornered. King cobras have slender, muscular bodies covered in smooth scales, with colors ranging from olive green, brown, black, or yellow. They have distinctive chevron patterns on their back, helping them blend into their surroundings. One of their most recognizable features is their expandable hood, which they flare when threatened to make themselves appear larger. Their eyes have round pupils, giving them excellent daytime vision, unlike many other snakes that rely primarily on their sense of smell. Their forked tongue collects scent particles, which are analyzed by their Jacobson's organ, allowing them to detect prey and predators from long distances. The king cobra's venom is highly potent, containing neurotoxins that attack the nervous system, leading to paralysis, respiratory failure, and death. Despite its deadly bite, the king cobra is not the most venomous snake in the world. However, due to its large size and high venom yield, a single bite can kill an elephant or multiple humans if untreated. Unlike vipers, which ambush prey, king cobras actively hunt using their keen eyesight and sense of smell. They strike with precision and speed, injecting venom and quickly overpowering their prey. Unlike most snakes, which feed on rodents, birds, and lizards, the king cobra is a specialist snake eater, Ophiophagus. It primarily preys on other snakes, including rat snakes, pythons, and even venomous species like kraits and other cobras. If food is scarce, it may also eat lizards, birds, or small mammals, but snakes remain its preferred diet. King cobras have powerful jaw muscles that allow them to swallow prey whole, even those larger than their own head. Their slow metabolism enables them to survive on a single large meal for weeks before hunting again. Despite its fearsome reputation, the king cobra is not aggressive and will generally avoid human encounters. When threatened, it raises up to 1/3 of its body off the ground, spreads its hood, hisses loudly, and may even lunge forward as a warning before actually striking. It can stand as tall as a human, making it one of the most intimidating snakes in the wild. If the warning display does not deter a threat, the cobra may strike repeatedly, delivering large amounts of venom in each bite. King cobras have a unique mating and nesting behavior, unlike most snakes. During the breeding season, males engage in combat rituals, wrestling each other for dominance. The victorious male mates with the female, after which she builds a nest out of leaves and twigs, a behavior unique among snakes. The female lays 20-50 eggs inside the nest and fiercely guards them until they hatch. She remains near the nest, protecting it from predators such as mongoose, monitor lizards, and other snakes. Once the hatchlings emerge after 60-90 days, the mother leaves and the baby cobras must fend for themselves. Despite being an apex predator, king cobras face threats from large birds of prey, mongooses, and humans. The Indian gray mongoose is one of the few animals that can successfully hunt and kill a king cobra, thanks to its agility and resistance to venom. However, the biggest threat to king cobras comes from habitat destruction, deforestation, and illegal wildlife trade. In many regions, they are killed out of fear or captured for their skin, meat, and use in traditional medicine. Some are also caught for the pet trade or snake charming performances, despite legal protections in several countries. King cobras are classified as vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, due to habitat loss and human conflicts. Conservation efforts focus on protecting forests, creating awareness, and reducing human-wildlife conflict. Many countries, including India and Thailand, have strict wildlife protection laws to prevent hunting and illegal trade. Organizations and researchers are working to educate local communities about the ecological importance of king cobras and promote habitat conservation to ensure their survival. King cobras have a deep cultural and spiritual significance in many regions. In Hindu mythology, they are associated with Lord Shiva, who is often depicted with a cobra around his neck. In Southeast Asia, they are symbols of power, wisdom, and protection. However, their reputation as deadly snakes has also led to many superstitions and fears, causing unnecessary killings. Through education and conservation, people are beginning to understand their vital role in maintaining the balance of ecosystems.